Good morning students. This is the second video on this chapter's cubes and cube roots. So in this video we will discuss some of the problems related to this chapter cubes and cube roots. Okay, let's start. So here one question is given. Find the value of cube root of 968 into cube root of 1375. So how you solve in this method? So what is the method? Prime factorization method. First find out the factors of these numbers, then we can easily find out the cube root of this multiplication. Okay, let's start. So 968. What are the factors of 968? We see here that the place is 8 here, so it can be divisible with 2. So 2 4 are 8, and we get the 16. 2 4 are 8 here. Again, the place is 4, so 2 2 are 4, 2 4 are 8, 2 are 4. So again, the unit place is 2. So 2 1 are 2, 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2. Now the number 121 is coming here. So it is divisible with 11. So let us divide with 11. 11 is 121. Now it is a prime factor now. So it stops here. Now let us divide. Find the factors of 1375 with prime factorization method. So it is observed that the unit place is 5 here. So it is divisible with 5. So 5 2s are 10 here, and 5 7s are 35, then again 2, 5 5s are 25. So again we see here that the unit place is 5 here, so that means the number divisible with 5, 5 5s are 25, so again 5 5s here 25. Okay, now again unit place the number 55 divisible with 5, 5 11s are 55. So now write all the factors at a time. So how you write? So cube root of 968 into cube root of 1375 equal to, write all the factors. So write the cube root symbol, then 2 into 2 into 2, then 11 into 11 into 11, or you can write like this, the factors 11 into 11, then into here 5 into 5 into 5 into 11. Now arrange the factors. Arrange in triplets. We know that cube root means it is a triplet we have to find out. So 2 into 2 is one triplet. Then 11 into 11 into 11 one triplet. Then into 5 into 5 into 5 1 2. From the triplet we are taking here 1 2, and this 11 triplet I am taking 1 11. Then from this I am taking 5 here. So what is the number is coming here? 2 into 22. 22 5s are how much? 25 110. 100. So 110 is the solution of this question. Okay. Now let's solve this question. Find the cube of minus of 4 upon 9 and another number, decimal number I am taking here, 0.001. So question is saying that find the cube. So we will start now. Minus 4 upon 9 to the power cube. That means this number, rational number, will be multiplied how many times? The same number 3 times. So minus 4 upon 9 into minus 4 upon 9 into minus 4 upon 9. So it will be 4 4 the 16, 16 4 the 64. So it is a odd number, so minus sign will come here. 64, 9 9 ja 81, 81 9 ja how much? 81 9 ja 9 1 7 to 9. So it is 79. So minus 64 upon 7 to 9. So this is the solution of this number minus 4 upon 9. Let's take this number. That number is 0.001. And what to find out? The cube. Cube means the number will multiply 3 times the same number. So 0.001 into 0.001 into 0.001. So it will be same as in fraction 1 upon 1000 into 1 upon 1000 into 1 upon 1000. Okay. So it will be 1 upon how many times? In 1, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 90. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So again convert it to decimal form. So it will be 0. How many times 0? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 place, so 80 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and this number 1 is there, so write the 1. Okay, now let us solve this question. The question says that what is the smallest number that should be 675 should be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. So the smallest number should be multiplied with 675, so the product is a perfect cube. So we'll start with prime factorization method. Find out the factors of 675. So it is divisible with 5 now. So 5 1s are 5, then 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Again, it is observed that the unit place is 5 here, divided with 5, 5 to the 10, then 5 7s are 30. Now, here you see that the number 27 is coming, and the number 27 is divisible with 3. So it is 3 9 are 27. Again, here 3 divisible with 3, 3 3s are 9. So, to write all the factors, so all the factors 675 equal to, so 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. So what we observe here? So here we observe that the number 3 is in triplet, but the number 5 is not in triplet. So 1 over 5 is required. So according to the question, which smallest number is required so that it should be multiplied with 675 to get a perfect cube. So here we see that 1 over 5 is required. So write the answer. So therefore 1 more 5 is required to multiply with 675 to get a perfect cube. Okay. Now look at this question. Question says that what is the smallest number by which 2916 should be divided? See the difference? It is should be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. In the last question it is told that it should be multiplied, but it is saying here that it should be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. So let's start with prime factorization method. So number is 2916. So the unit place is 6 here, divided with 2 here, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, then again 2 5s are 10, and 2 8s are 16. Now again unit place is 8, so 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, then 2 9s are 18. So now the number is coming here 7 to 9, so it is divisible with 3, so 3 2s are 6, then 3 4s are 12, then 3 3s are 9. So again 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 3 9, so divisible with 3, so 3 8s are 24, then 3 1s are 3, 81 is divisible with 3, so 3 2s are 6, then it is 3 7s are 21, again it is divisible with 3, 3 9s are 27, again 3 3s are 9. So write all the factors. 2 9 1 6. What are the factors of 2 9 1 6? 2 into 2 into 3. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So now find out the triplets because it is the cube root. Say the cube root. So 3 is in triplet here and this 3 also in triplet. So we see that the number 3 coming 2 times triplet, but the number 2 is 2 into 2. So here it is seen that this number should be divided. So 2 into 2 how much? 2 into 2 equal to 4. So 2 into 2 equal to 4. So 4 should be divided. So it is clear that 4 should be divided with the number 2916. Divided 2 with which number? 2916 to get a, so that to get the quotient is a quotient perfect cube. Quotient is a perfect cube. Okay, so this is 4 is the answer.